Hello everyone, today I will introduce the communication about the VM series. This is the design for 0.75 to 2.2 kW. Because there is no communication terminal designed in the low-power model of VM series, so we need to use Ethernet port to convert RS485 communication. This is the RJ45 port diagram. When wiring, pin 1 and pin 2 are used to connect the RS positive and RS negative of the master station device. For larger power VM series, 4 kW to 7.5 kW, there is the RS terminal so we can use serial port connection. In addition, the RJ45 port can support the connection of external keyboard. After the wiring is completed, we also need to set the communication parameters of the inverter, command source and frequency source. This is the communication demo we made for the VM series with the WECON HMI. Now I will show how to communicate with the VM using this demo.